wanted to give you a couple quick tips on how to prepare your tape for when you're applying it to whatever body part you're needing. When you have your tape, it's important that you round the edges before you apply it, and that way it's gonna help prevent the tape from getting torn on something. So you wanna do that with both sides, and obviously it doesn't have to be perfect, the edges just have to be round. Now, the most important thing when you're applying the tape, you don't want to have stretch on either end of the tape. So to start, I hold it and then you are able to tear the tape. And then I pull like this, and that way I have a loose end, and when I put the tape on, this part will have no stretch. And then as you apply it to your body, you're going to want to put about 50% stretch through the tape. So if I press stretch maximally, that's 100% stretch. So do 50%. So you do your 50% stretch on whatever body part it is. And then at the very end, you don't want any stretch. So you're going to just pull it, apply it, rub it to engage the adhesive, and that's it. Hope that helps.